Hi, I'm Pat Sullivan, founder of Ryver.
Thank you for subscribing to Ryver. Moving from a free chat tool to a mission-critical application was not easy, but we have done it. I've been doing software for 35 years, and everything I've ever built has been considered great. Not by me, but by many millions of users. Many who still use Act and SLGX today refuse to leave these very old products because they are still mission-critical, even though they are both decades old. I believe the same thing is happening with Ryver. It already has world-class team communication and task management. But what you see now is only about half of what we've envisioned and have been working towards for the last 3 years. When the vision is complete, I believe you and millions more will say Ryver is truly great software and will also last for decades. I knew if Ryver was going to be a great mission-critical application, we had to start charging for it. I am humbled and awed by the response, by your response. Thank you for the trust you've placed in us. We will do everything possible to not let you down. Thank you.